Hello pupils, welcome to class. Today in science we'll be learning about plants and its parts. So, what are plants? Plants are living things, yes, they are. Like we said, living things are things that can grow. And because plants can grow, they are classified as living things. So there are living things, and because they can grow. Most plants grow on land, but some grow in water. So you have to take note of that some plants grow on land while some grow in water. Plants are very useful to us, very useful. Without plants, I'm not sure we are going to be happy. Okay, plants are very useful because they have so many importance. Some plants are big, some are strong, some are big and strong, while some are small and weak. Okay, so when you go to the forest, you see big and strong um plants or trees. Okay, and when some if you are very familiar with the assembly ground in school, you can see that we have a big and strong plant. Plants need water to grow from the soil. Remember we said you use your soil to grow your plant, but without water your plant will not grow. So your plants needs water to grow from the soil. So if you want to grow your plants, that means you need your soil, and you need water. Water. Okay? So so like I said earlier that the big and strong plants, that we can have some big and strong plants, and these are called trees. Okay, trees, some trees are very big and they are very strong. Okay, so let's move forward. The part of plant are basically we have three major parts of plants. We have the roots, we have the stem, and we have the leaves. Can we say that again? We have the root, the stem, and the leaves. And the leaves. Okay. So another thing we need to learn about the part of a plant is you have a young plant. A young plant are called seedling. Seedling. Young plants are called seedling. Seedling. They are called seedling. And fruit grow from the seed in the leaves. Yes, the seed grow from the seed in the leaves. Leaves of the most of the plants are usually green, but sometimes when they are dry, they can be yellow and they can be brown. But mostly you see the green leaves. The plant root takes up nutrients from the soil. When a plant does not get enough water, it dies. If you don't give your plant enough water, it dies. Okay, so let's move backward to see um, the difference between a tree and a plant. You know, like I said earlier, I said the big and the strong plants are called the trees. The small and the weak ones, they are plants. Okay, they are plants, and they can also there are some yes, they are called plants. But the big and the strong ones are called the trees. So let's move and learn about the usefulness. Earlier on I said plants are very useful to us. Very useful. So what are some of the usefulness of trees? Trees gives us shade. Yes, it gives us shade. That means you can use your tree as a shade so that the rays of the sun won't come to you. So you use your tree as a shade to protect you from the sun. We can also get fruits from our trees. Fruits like mango, fruits like mangoes, like lemons, like cashew, like cashews. You can get your apples, you can get your almonds, you can get all kinds of fruits from your trees. Okay, also you can also use your tree as you can use your tree for cooking. For example, you want to cook sometimes you can cook with your trees if you don't want to use what's it called, you don't want to use your gas, then you can cut some trees, some parts of the trees, and use it to cook. So trees are very useful to us. Also, you can also get wood from your trees. You can get wood from the trees. Also, you can get so many things from the trees. You can get your books from the tree. Yes, you can get your books from the tree. You can get your pencils from the tree. You can get your crayons from the trees. You can get your magazine from the tree. Also, and I said earlier that trees can be used as shades. You can see these people here. They are actually enjoying themselves because the tree is actually shading them. It's protecting them from the sun. If you notice, there are sun all over here, but not where they are because the tree is actually covering or preventing the sun from getting to them. So you can use your tree as a shade. So let's talk more about the part of the plants we have. I said earlier we have the flowers. Can you see the flowers? It can come in any shape, it can come in any color. Then we have the leaf. This is one. If it is more than one, we have leaves. So let's count how many leaves we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 leaves. We have 6 leaves. Now let's see another part of a plant. We have the fruits. We have the fruit, and the fruit are what? You get the fruit from where? Okay, let's see where we get the fruit from. Let's see where we get the fruit from. Can you remember? The fruit grows from the seed in the leaves. Fruit grows from the seed in the leaves. So let's see the fruit. See the fruit, it grows from the seed in the leaves. Okay, then we have another part of a plant. We have the stem. The stem. What is the usefulness of this stem? It is very important. This part of a tree or plant is very, very important because it connects the roots to the leaves. Without the stem, this is the stem from here to here. They are the stem. This is the stem. Without this stem, the leaves and the root will not be connected. And your tree or your plant will not even stay at all. It will not stand upright. It will fall. Without the stem, it will fall. So The stem is very, very important, and it holds or connects the root and the leaves. It connects the root to the leaves. Another important part of the plant is the root. The root is the underground, it is usually under the ground. You won't see the root sometimes until you pluck the plant up. So, and there are some big trees that you will see the root. You just see them around very at the down part, but the root is usually underground. Okay, some roots are not they are not evident. You can't see them, they can't show. Okay, and what does the root, what does it do? It absorbs or store water and nutrients. Okay, it absorbs or stores water and nutrients. So these are the parts of your plants, and they are very important. So basically you have your roots, which is usually found under the ground. You have your stem, which holds your roots and your leaves. Stem is very, very important. It is very, very important in the it is very, very important in the plant. We also have the flowers, which makes your plant very beautiful, colorful, and attractive. We have your leaves. You can use leaves also for several things. Then you have your fruits that we can eat, and it will make us healthy, make us um, healthy and beautiful. So that is it by plant and its parts.